Hi, my good people. My name is Wanjiku Kenodia, and I'm glad to bring you this podcast this moment. Karibu sana. Let's have an interactive session as I take you through what we call destiny connectors or destiny shapers or what can we call them? Destiny connectors, yes. Did you know that there are people who come into your life and they make you to have certain blessings? Yes, these are the people we call destiny connectors. And in this context, I want us to think about of people in the Bible who were blessed because of the association, because of the people they associated with. The first person is somebody we call Lot. Lot um, he was blessed because of associating with Abraham. Probably Lot thought that the blessing that he had, he got it because of yeye ako na baraka, but no, he got the blessing because he associated with Abraham. The other person who got blessing because of associating with another person is Laban. Laban was blessed by God, and his flock was blessed. He got a lot of flock because of associating with Jacob. Yes, there are people who come into your life and you are blessed. Yes, that's another case of people you associate with and you get blessing. The other person is Naaman. Naaman was blessed. You remember when he got leprosy and he was wondering where to get healing from. There was a slave girl who was in his village, and he told him, there's a person I know who can heal your disease. Yes, that association of the slave girl and Naaman got him the healing. The other person who got blessings is King Pharaoh. King Pharaoh got blessing because of associating with Joseph. Joseph carried the blessing with him. Who are you? Are you that one person who carries the blessing? Or you're the person who gets blessed because of associating with another person who is already blessed? Oh my God, I want to be that person who carries the blessing. Huh? Purpose to be that person who carries the blessing. Because wherever you will be going, you'll make an impact to the people you meet, to the workplace where you go to. Yes, and I want to be that person. I want to be that blessing, that I want to be that light, that wherever I will go, I will be the light, I will be the blessing, I'll be that person who everybody will like to associate with. Yes, hawa ni wale tunaita destiny connectors ama destiny lighters. They light up your life, they light up your situation. You might be in a very dull situation, like the story of Naaman. He was in a desperate situation. Now he had leprosy, and the only person who came to his rescue is the slave girl. Yes. And that's why we are told, never ignore your circle. Never ignore the people who are surrounding you, because you might be ignoring your blessing. You might be ignoring somebody who is holding your destiny like this. Yes, maybe you might be ignoring somebody who has the key to your blessing. So, relate with people well. Relate with your friends, your colleagues, because you never know. You never know who might be your destiny helper or your destiny connector. So God bless you so much as you become that person who is carrying somebody else's blessing. Thank you.